Hey guys, how's it going? Mika, what are you doing? That's the puppy. That's the whole reason why we got this. So what you're looking at is the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball. We bought this because we needed a better vacuum for her hair. We thought about a stick one, but with how big she's getting, she's 12 weeks old now, and look at this fluff. Come here. She is gonna need a lot of fur to be sucked off. And this came with the grooming stuff. You wanna help me unbox this, Mika? No, I'm gonna go bug mom. So, first things when opening it up, cardboard, really. Guess what? That's gotta go up there because we all know there's a little fluffy pooch going around. This is your brushed head. This is a laminate head. Isn't that right, Mika? Which one do you prefer? Oh, let's see. They have a Mika head, you know. This one, the dog groomer. I'm sure she's gonna walk out of the shop with it. Then we have some more handy dandy ones and holders. I'm not gonna open this one up yet, but again, just another kit. Oh, even more heads. We have another head right here. Gosh, there's so many of them. Maybe this one's the animal one. I'll have to open it up. This one's really neat too. Kind of goes really well. Something opens right here, maybe a filter. I gotta take a look. Is the instructions. Oh no, this is the animal one. After looking at the box, I know that this is the animal one. So it's got a thing to protect them. Plus, if you press down, it's got that. And hey Mika, I need that attachment. Mika, thank you so much, honey. See? Joys of a puppy. So, when you press it down on the dog, it looks dangerous and looks like it would hurt. But that is what catches all the dog hair and also sucks it up. Very, very cool. So, on top of that, we have the instructions. Oh, quick disconnect adapter. Oh, no way. This is probably for old stuff to new stuff. But it looks like it's a, like I said, it's an adapter for sure, for different accessories. And it probably says it right here. This is an adapter. Quick release adapter for, yeah. So, we have that. Holy smokes. This is the handle. This thing looks like it's out of some sort of horror movie. That's cool. I know that this has a suction release, which is right here, because apparently at turbo, it's great for hardwood. You just leave it on turbo. But if you go on long shaggy carpet and you don't pull this to release the suction, apparently you can't even push it because the suction is so hard on it. That's something to keep in mind when you're purchasing something like this. This has the actual electrical connection in it. Nice, sturdy, maybe even Mika proof. Nice girthy tube. And extension, yep. Oh, look at that. The new one is definitely really nice. Okay. And now it's time to actually pull out the big ball. Holy. Very nice. It's got a little pandango on it. Tells you how to use all the accessories. So there you go, that's the big ball right there. That is all of it, but literally look at all these heads. Like I bought a whole other cleaning head kit, which you can see right here, that's what comes in it. But I mean, you get this one, that's about, no, see you even have that one in here. So you have this one. Do you have this one? You have one that's like it, this one. So you almost don't need this cleaning kit, but I pretty much got this for free. It was part of a promotion. But this one we already get pretty much right here. I like this one a little bit better because this is just a flat one. I'll show you. This is from the Total Cleaning Kit. So this one gets lower, so it goes right along. It is nice, but this one has a brush, so it helps sweep as you go as well. So that is one thing I will say. If you flip these both over, I like that one better. Just picks up a little more. And then This is just a mini brush, which is good for your car. This is the other one. I'm really excited to try this dog brush if Mika doesn't eat it first. That one. I don't think we have enough heads. Oh, does this have an extension on it? So one advantage of this one, oh, that's cool. Does it lock in? Yes. That's neat. So if you're doing corners, but you're trying to at least scrape it as you go, you can do that as well. That just already picked up dirty. God, I'm feeling dirty. All right. And then, yeah, we have some attachments here. Oh look, Mika's already sleeping. It must be really boring. Oh. What I like about this is from previous models I've looked at, it did not have a quick disconnect here. I think that is awesome. Being able to just slide this in, because there's a lot of gunk that builds up on this elbow. That is actually something that we found with the multi-room. I've used that one before at a friend's mom's house. And yeah, that's where they were getting it. These are just different attachments here. Tells you how to clean it and pull it apart to empty it. What's cool with this one also over the big other Dyson vacuums, this one literally is filterless. There's no filter in it. Before, there was a filter that you had to clean no matter what. Just taking a look here. Look at this thing. No filter whatsoever. Gosh, it's like a good size. And look at the max lines a little higher up on this one. This is something very important to note because a lot of people don't pay attention to the max line and they end up trying to fill it up to here and then they wonder why they run into problems with their Dyson. That is the #1 reason why, is because that. But at least you have really good support. I don't think you could ever talk to anyone and say Dyson gives really crappy warranty support. Super easy to click back on. Of course, I didn't really show you there, but for emptying it, it's really easy too. You hit this, and then on the bottom here, you would hit this, or sorry, not that one. There you go. So it does, it pulls it right out if you want it to, but if you press on this, it releases there. Jeez. I'm just opening up all sorts of compartments I'm not supposed to, so don't mind me. So, yeah, even if you held on to here, you might be able to get it easier. I guess they just have it, so it comes, so it does come all the way out. Weird. Little different. Okay, so that's that part. And other than that, like I said, so the attachments it comes with, like I said, you don't really need this kit. You literally get with this a clear one. Oh yay. At least this one you can see if it's clogged. But you have this one that comes with the kit. This one. And there was also this one, which I didn't bother really pulling out. Which is, again, it's neat. And this, I think, extends as well. So that way, if you got a bad back, yeah. And it's rubber now. Oh, that's cool. So you can actually bend it around corners. A little different. This one does not have that feature. So that is an advantage if you need something like that from the cleaning kit. It does have an extension piece, so, and it's bendy for getting around corners. Kind of neat, just make sure you don't kink it, because that can be an issue. Other than that, I'm just going to show you this majorly. For assembly, it's pretty easy. I mean, all you're going to do, slide something like that on, I guess. And this is another quick disconnect for older stuff, like I said. So this can go right here. So if you only want to use this, you can. And then, of course, if you want the bazooka cannon, you add that, and then you add this. And then you can extend it like that. Jesus. I don't think I can reach. That's awesome. All right, that's my overview of this. That's all I'm really gonna do. For hooking up the hose, one last thing. We've already hooked up that side. Again, Dyson stuff, super easy. All you're gonna do is line this up and go right here. Ta-da! There you go. I like how mobile this is. Shh. Let's go vacuum something.